So, bache, we are going to start today 10.2, the second chapter of 10th unit. And the name of the chapter is Trading Procedure on a Stock Exchange and SEBI. Two things we are going to study in this chapter. First is stock exchange and second is SEBI. Now, what is stock exchange? Stock exchange means an organized market where securities issued by companies, government organizations, and semi-government organizations are sold and purchased. Market where securities are sale and purchase. And securities includes equity shares, preference shares, debentures. The market where securities are sale and purchase, transactions between exchange of securities are done, that place is called stock exchange. An organized market where securities are sold and purchased, that place is called stock exchange. Market where securities are sold and purchased, and securities includes equity share, preference share, debentures. Okay, stock exchanges, a place where securities are sold and purchased. What are the main features of stock exchange? What are the main features of stock exchange? Yesterday we have studied about the primary market, where the companies are selling or issuing the equities and debentures first time. That is being done in primary market. And when those securities further, if a person who is the holder of shares, means a shareholder of any company, wants to sell his shares and want to convert his shares into cash, where he has to go? He has to go to stock exchange, because stock exchange is a place where he can um, convert his shares into cash, which provides us liquidity. So first feature of this stock exchange is organized market. Stock exchange is an organized market. Stock exchange is an organized market. Every stock exchange has a management committee which has all the rights related to management and control of exchange. It is an organized market, bache, and dealing in securities issued by various concerns. It is dealing in securities issued by various concerns. A lot of companies are there, and those who companies are issuing securities, stock exchanges involved in the sale purchase of those securities which are already issued by the various companies. Dealing only through organized members. Dealing only through organized members. Investors can sell and purchase securities in stock exchange only through the authorized members. Stock exchange is a specified marketplace where only the authorized members can go. Investors has to take their help to sell and purchase. We individuals cannot go to stock exchange, cannot do transactions. We have to consult some brokers of stock exchange. They are the organized members. And here necessary to obey the rules and regulations. So बच्चे, stock exchange is a market where we can sell our good shares and debentures and convert them into cash. General people can go there and sell the securities. Where the securities are sold and purchased, that place is called stock exchange. It is an organized market. All the dealings in securities are done by authorized members, and it is dealing in the securities issued by various companies, and there is necessary to obey the rules and regulations. These are the features of stock exchange. Now comes to the functions of stock exchange. Functions of stock exchange. What are the main functions? Providing liquidity is one of the prominent function of stock exchange. Providing liquidity means you can anytime convert your shares and debentures into cash. If liquidity is not provided by stock exchange, what will happen? Nobody will try to invest in the companies, because whatever we are investing in company is never going to return back. If you are purchasing shares and debentures of any company, and you know that money will never be refunded by the company, what will happen? Switch on your video, everyone. What will happen, bache? Nobody will invest in the company, since they know that their money is safe and they can anytime convert the money shares into money. Then they are investing happily. So this function is being provided by stock exchange. They are providing us liquidity. We can convert our shares into cash anytime. Then bache, pricing of securities. Pricing of securities. Every day you are listening that the prices of shares and debentures are increased or decreased, or price of gold. Everything is daily fluctuating. A stock exchange provides platform to deal in securities. The forces of demand and supply work freely in the stock exchange. In this way, prices of securities are determined. According to their demand and supply, their prices are determined every day. Safety of transaction. Since all the transactions are being performed by authorized members, so there is safety in all the transaction. Transparency is also there. Contributes the economic growth. Contributes to the economic growth. A stock exchange provides liquidity to securities. This gives the investors a double benefit. First, the benefit to change of the change in market price of securities can be taken advantage of, and secondly, in case of need, they can convert their shares into money. Anytime they can convert their shares into money, and their market price is also increasing or decreasing accordingly. So for two reasons they are investing, and if investors are investing in the companies, that is the symbol of economic growth. Now fifth one is spreading equity cult. Spreading equity cult. Cult here means information. They are providing information about equity. If you want to invest anything bache in any company, you first of all you should know the information about the company. What about the company, and what are the main what is the previous trend of the company. So every information is provided by the stock exchange. If you go to stock exchange and you ask about the information, they are providing you. Last function of stock exchange is providing scope for speculation. Providing scope for speculation. When securities are purchased with a view of to getting profit as a result of change in their market price, it is called speculation. We are expecting some change, some rise in the market price. This is speculation. It is allowed or permitted under the provisions of the relevant act. It is accepted that in order to provide liquidity to securities, some scope for speculation must be allowed. So some sort of speculation is allowed to us. So this is बच्चे stock exchange. Stock exchange is a market where securities are sold and purchased, and it is an organized market. It deals in securities issued by various companies, dealing only through organized members, and here is necessary to obey the rules and regulations of the stock exchange. What functions stock exchange is providing to us? Providing liquidity. We can convert our shares anytime into cash. They are telling us about the pricing of the securities every day. Here the transactions are safe. New investors are encouraged to invest. So this is contribution to economic growth. Spreading equity cult. If you want any information, it can be provided by stock exchange. Providing scope for speculation. They are providing scope for speculation also, because speculation is the main target why people are investing in the companies. So now there are 7 stock exchanges actively functioning in India. Their names are given as follows. BSE, this is Bombay Stock Exchange. It is situated in Mumbai. Calcutta Stock Exchange, Kolkata. Indian International Exchange, this is at Gandhinagar, Gujarat. Magad Stock Exchange, Patna, Bihar. Metropolitan Stock Exchange, Mumbai, Maharashtra. National Stock Exchange, Mumbai, Maharashtra. NSE, it is in Gandhinagar, Gujarat. These are the 7 stock exchanges actively functioning in India.